Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another crash video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to sound like Jssr and like, how to get that overall like R&B sound like that he be doing. I covered his song Heart, which is like pretty new. I don't know if y'all heard it before, but I'm gonna just play the cover now with all the presets and shit.
Break my heart, oh break my heart, you did that 2 times. Play your part, I play my part, but you ain't do mine. I know that you love me still. Then let's restart. Told you put down them pills, so why play smart? Hold down that cup, it ain't gon' hear you falling. I wish that you was calling. Downstairs just stalling, but I can't go back. You put up all your walls and I will say that she gotta go and zombie.
Okay. So, it's pretty basic. There's only 2 layers. The main layer is like, I don't know, like he has that sound where he's like, I don't, hold on. He's like he like records like really breathy and like, I don't know, he just slurs his words in like a very like unique, weirdish way. But I'm gonna play the main vocals track just without the presets.
Break my heart, oh break my heart, you did that 2 times. Play your part, I play my part, but you ain't do mine. I know that you love me still. Then let's restart. Told you put.
Yeah, I don't know, it's pretty simple. I'm gonna turn off the layers and I'm gonna play the layers, cause like all he really does is just accent, like on the song at least, he just accents like the ends of his like bars, I guess. Oh shit.
Did it 2 times. You ain't do mine.
I'm gonna play it all together without the beat. I mean without the presets.
Oh break my heart, you did that 2 times. Play your part, I play my part, but you ain't do mine. I know that you love me still.
So we always got the route. We need a route, route with the OTT on it. This is the main layer with the preset, so you can hear what the preset sound like.
Break my heart, oh break my heart, you did that 2 times. Play your part, I play my part, but you ain't do mine. I know. Hold down that cup, it ain't gon' hear you falling.
And then we got the layers.
It ain't gon' hear you falling. I wish that you was calling. Downstairs just stalling. Pausing, I won't say that. Go, 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 go.
But yeah, dude, it's really simple. Like, it's just these 3 presets: the main layer, and route, and like, so you get the main. Always make sure to do this. You get the main. Got the preset here. So we got, you put it in, everything. You got the auto tune set up, and then you get the main. You get the layer, drag and drop, and then you get the route. This is the most important step. So you take this off and do this. We got to do that for like we do that for like pretty much all of our presets. So just make sure you're doing that the specific one. Sometimes it's only when it says main layers, like it's literally just put the main preset on there, and that's it. That's all I got to route, because the layers are perfectly fine without it. So yeah. And when you're recording, it's just the lyrics to the song. But when you're recording, do whatever one you prefer. In one, post track right here, and then press the red circle, and then that's how you know you're recording. And then turn that on and start rapping. Be like, they're playing with an auto tune. Start rapping. Be like, they're playing with an auto tune. No, you sound like a rapper, bro. Like, simple. And I could blow up, make all your hits and everything. Be like Jssr, baby. If y'all need anything, any help, message me on @7akkiro on like all plats. Mainly Instagram would be the easiest. Discord's also fine too, I guess. And yeah, I hope y'all fuck with it, bro, and have a good day.